What is up, guys? For today's video, it's gonna be pretty simple. We're gonna be installing the Password JDM quick release bumper. What you'll need is some tape so you can mark where you're gonna be drilling. Obviously, if you're gonna be drilling, you're gonna need a drill, your assortment of drill bits, and an optional thing, but it is recommended, some paint. I live in an area where cars typically rust because of all the salt and like the harsh winters that we go through. So obviously when you're drilling into the fender, there will be some exposed metal. So you need to have paint to kind of protect it, seal it, and stop it from rusting. Anyways, let's get to this install video. All right, so what you want to do now is you want to grab the tape. And from what I understand, it can be anywhere along the lines between the fender and the bumper. Just for aesthetics purpose, I want to do it right at the edges right here. So I'm going to tape over right here. Just trying to align and see where we want to go. So, you know, if we're going to go right here, looks about right. Or if you want to twist it, which is a lot of people do, they go this way. So it can go like this. Am I really gonna try this? I'm just like, I'm so sketched at doing this. Drill a hole? Yeah. Like, I guess we'll do the plastic first.
Here we go!
All right, so now that we have our holes marked, hopefully we're good to go. I guess we're at the point of no return now, so let's give it a shot. So from what I've learned is that you always wanna go, start small and then go bigger, just in case. So now we're gonna go just a bit bigger. And now we're gonna do a fitment test to see if it fits. Still doesn't fit, so we're gonna go one level higher. Oh, it's because I hit a clamp. So I was told to, God, I'm super nervous, to not slip off when I'm drilling in on the metal, just to give it a tap so it gives it like a groove, so you can actually like be stable and like drill through it completely. Am I really doing this right now? Oh my God, I see the metal. Oh my God. I cannot believe I'm doing this. Ah!
So we should have went with that bit?
We should have went with that bit from the beginning, but whew, shit. Oh man. All right, moment of truth to see if I didn't fuck this up. Kind of stressful, I should say, because I've never drilled into metal before. I'm just giving you guys a side note. The quick release bumper is so I can remove my bumper very quickly in the future when I will be tracking. All the under plastic and all that jazz that's under there will be removed in the future. I'm keeping it on for now because it's still winter here and spring's around the corner and it gets very slushy and I don't want the salt to stick to any metal components of my car. So it's just, right now we're putting it on for aesthetic purposes. Eventually in the future when it's already on, it'll just be really easy to remove my bumper and put it back on when we take all the under stuff off. So just letting you guys know in case you're like, hey dude, you're not really using it for what it's made for. Don't worry, it will be used for its purpose soon. All right, so that concludes today's video. It was very stressful for me. I've never drilled into a car before, and nonetheless, I've never drilled into my car. Now that I'm pretty comfortable in drilling into the fender and like plastic and metal, I think when I order that wide body kit in the future, I will be able to do it myself. So thanks again to you, Xander, for being there. Kenny and Twinny for letting me use their shop, Urban REIFEN. I will see you guys in the future for the next couple of videos. If you like today's video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a good one.